Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start division of polynomials. So the first topic in division of polynomials is division of a monomial by a monomial. Like in multiplication we have done, same in division we will do. Okay. Quotient of two monomials. The formula for division of monomial is quotient of two monomials is equals to quotient of their numerical coefficients multiplied by quotient of their variable parts. Okay. So suppose we have to divide 24a square b c cube by minus 6ab c square. So first of all we will write in the expression form, means in division form. So this means upon 6, so we will write it like this so that we can cancel the part that is cancelled. So 24 upon minus 6 a square b c cube upon a b c square. Okay, so numerical, what is the formula? Quotient of their numerical coefficient. So numerical coefficient is 24 upon minus 6. This we will write here separately. And quotient of their variable parts means this variables. So this we will write separately. Okay, so 24 is divisible by 6. 6 fours are 24. So it will be minus 4 here. Okay. Now this we can cancel also. Okay, but you will got confused, so we have done this by law. Okay, this a will be cancelled from this a, this b will be cancelled from this b, and one c will be cancelled from this c. You can also do like this also, or you can apply a law that bases, if bases are same and when we have division, so powers will be subtracted. Okay, so a डिवीजन में है ये पावर्स, सो बेसिस आर सेम, तो पावर विल बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड, तो 2 माइनस 1. नाउ बी, इसकी पावर 1 है, इसकी भी 1 है, तो 1 माइनस 1 0. सी 3 माइनस 2 1. सो आर फाइनल आंसर इज माइनस 4. ए b will be cancelled because b raised to the power 0 is 1, so we will not write 1 here, and c raised to the power 1, so it will be minus 4ac. Clear? Now let us take one more example of monomial by monomial. So this term is monomial and this is also monomial. So minus 3 upon 4 x square y z cube divided by minus 2 upon 3 x square y z. So it will be we will write in the upon form, minus 3 upon 4 upon minus 2 upon 3. So we will do the reciprocal of numerical part because we have to separate the numerical part and variable part. So minus 3 upon 4, so this 2 will come in multiplication of 4 and this 3 will come in multiplication of 3. Okay, we have done the reciprocal here. So 3 by into 3 upon 4 into 2, and variable part we will write it separately. So x square y z cube upon x square y z. So you can also cancel them here also, or you can apply a law of division. So minus will be cancelled from this minus because दोनों minus है upon में, so दोनों cancel हो जाएंगे. Okay, now this 3 3s are 9 and 4 2s are 8, right? Then x square, we have applied the law here, so 2 minus 2, it will be 0. Y की power 1, 1 minus 1, it will also become 0. Now z 3, z की power 3 है ये, और यहाँ पे 1 है, so 3 minus 1 2. So what is left? Only 9 upon 8 z square. Alright. Now let us take second type, division of a polynomial by a monomial. So for dividing a polynomial by a monomial, we divide each term of the polynomial by the monomial. As we have done in multiplication, we have multiplied each term of the polynomial by the monomial. In this, we will divide each term of the polynomial by the monomial. Okay. So let us take an example. Divide 4x raised to the power 5 minus 14x raised to the power 4 plus 6x raised to the power 3 minus 2x square by 2x square. So we have to divide this whole term by 2x square. Okay. So we will write here we will do write here this separately, means इसको इससे divide करना है, इसको इससे and इसको इससे. So we have to write them separately. So 4x raised to the power 5 upon 2x square. The sign is of minus, means subtraction, so we will write the sign of subtraction here. 14x raised to the power 4 upon 2x square plus, because this there it has plus positive sign, so 6x raised to the power 3 upon 2x raised to the power 2 minus 2x raised to the power 2 upon 2x raised to the power 2. So this will be cancel, because दोनों same हैं, divide में हैं, तो दोनों cancel हो जाएंगे. This 2 will be 6 will be divisible by 2, so 2 3s are 6. Here also 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. So what is left? 2. Now you can see we can also cancel the variables also here. Okay. So but we have applied here division law. So x raised to the power 5 minus 2. Here x raised to the power 4 minus 2. Here x raised to the power 3 minus 2. Okay, so we have left with 2x raised to the power 3 minus 7x raised to the power 2 plus 3x minus 1. So this is our final answer after dividing this expression by 2x square. All right.